Hello again, boys and girls. This page that we are going to be working on is page 5, and you will see lesson 1-7 up at the top. And this page is about putting numbers on number lines. So for numbers 1 and 2, they give you some numbers that they want you to put in the correct spots on the number lines. I think you can do that. For number 3, we're going to do this one together. This says place the numbers 86 and 88 in the correct spots on the number line. But we only have lines for 85 and 89 so far. So what we want to kind of think in our head is about where would they be? Well, if I look at my first number, 86, well, I know if this is 85, I know 86 has to be somewhere pretty close to there. So I'm not going to put it super close, but I'm not going to put it super far away. I'm going to draw another line right about there, and I'll say that that is 86. And then I want to think, okay, so 87 would be somewhere in here, and I know 89 is down here. Well, the next number I'm looking for is 88. So I know that 88 comes before 89, so just like I did down here, I'm going to go a little bit back from 89. I'll draw my line, and I will write 88. Okay? Now, my spacing would be a little off if I put 87 in the middle, but that's okay. Down at the bottom, it says, look at number line A and number line B. What do you notice about the distance between 32 and 33 on each number line? So if you look, we've got the numbers 30 to 35. So here's 32 and 33 here. And then if we look at number line B, here's 32 and 33 here. What difference do you notice between the space between those two numbers on each number line? You could just write a few words or a short sentence down there to explain your answer. So why don't you go ahead, pause the video now to do your work, and then I will come back and share the answers with you. So go ahead and pause your video. I will pause it to fill in the answers, and then I'll come back and we'll go over them together. Okay, and we're back. So up here, if knowing that this was 0, I knew that the number 1 would go here, and then I counted this as 2, 3, 4. I knew 5 was here, so I counted 6, 7 to put 8. Okay, if you filled in all the numbers on the number line, that is fine. But as long as you have 1, 3, and 8 in the right position. I did the same thing here. I saw this was 20, 21, 22, 23, and then 24, 25, 26. We did this one together already. So then when I looked at my number lines down here, I noticed that looking at 32 and 33, that the space between the lines in A was smaller than the space between the lines in B. So that's what I said, the space between 32 and 33 in A is smaller or closer together than in B. So if you had anything along those lines, that is great, or you could have just said they're closer together. Either way, there are the answers for this page. Good job, guys.